Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel again. Today I am back with another video and I'm going to do this pink purple eye makeup with a black liner. It looks really nice and sleek. It's really nice and cute look. I hope you guys will like it. So let's just get right into the video without wasting any time. Okay, I'm starting off with prepping my face. I'm using a Nivea cream with the brush and applying it all over my face. Next up, I'm going in with my Rimmel long lasting primer and I'm just applying it on the space where I have loads of pores. And then I am gonna go in with my MAC concealer, which I am applying on my eyelids. I'm gonna apply them all over my eyelids and I'm just gonna blend them with the brush in a dabbing motion. Once I have done that, I am going to set it with a translucent powder, as you can see here, and then I am gonna go in with a shimmer shade. It's a very sheer kind of shimmer shade. I will apply on my fingers and I will show you guys. I'm just gonna go on my one third of my eyelid on both of the eyes. This is a shimmer shade which I'm using. I just did that to show you guys. I'm just going to do that on my eyes with the finger just to get a little bit of a coverage. And then I'm going in with a blending brush, a pink shade, a very hot pink shade, just on my other other quarter of the eyelid or both of the eyes. And at the very end I am putting a purple shade on, just putting it on and then blending it with the pink as well. Next up, I am going in with this bronzer shade just to blend both of those shades together on both of the eyes, pink and the purple. So I'm just going in my crease as well, just to get that nice gradient effect. Just going to go on both of my eyes with the big blending brush, and I felt like I went too far up. I was just cleaning that with the micellar water. So here I am just blending everything together, as you can see, on both of the eyes. And then next up, I am going in with a small round brush with the dark purple shade. Before I went in with the light purple, so this is the dark purple. I'm putting it just on my outer corner, sorry, and I'm putting that pink color on the eyeballs as well, just to give it that pop, you know. So I'm just blending that dark purple into the crease and the outer corner, and again putting that pink shade on just to highlight it. The last, I am going on just cleaning all the mess from my eyes. There was a little bit of the shimmer shade on my eyes, so I'm just cleaning that, going back in with the concealer shade just to make sure everything is blended out. So just cleaning up the mess from underneath of my eyes and giving that sharp line, because I wanted that sharp line. So I'm just clearing that edges of the eyes and just going back in with the blending brush just to make sure for the last time that it is all blended out together. Then I went in with the Huda Beauty eyeliner, put the eyeliner on both of the sides, did the rest of my face, did the lipstick. I went the Max Factor liquid matte lipstick, and this was how it's looking like. So I put the mascara on my eyes, and you know how sometimes your eyelashes can get clammed up. So I use this brush kind of thing just to comb the eyelashes so they look separated. And I just tapping my face so that the foundation is not sticky and it's not creasy. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you guys like it. I liked it. If you did, make sure you do give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.